Yes, look at here. Our question is, write a program to accept one operator and two operands from user, and according to give the given operator perform the arithmetic operations. Means user has to input three numbers. Three numbers means one operator and two operands. Means three input user is going to give in you. Okay. Then according to that operator, you have to perform the operations. Right? So if user is giving plus operator, then you will give so here I am accepting three input, int A, int B, int C. Is it correct? No, it is not correct because two numbers are here. Okay, so two input is okay, int A, int B. So two are the number, two inputs are the number, but one is the first one input is your operator. So operator is the symbol now. Operator is not any number. Operator is the symbol. So for the symbol we will use care. It is not the alphabet, but it is the symbol. So that's why we are using it as the character. So input will be as the character. First input will be as the character. And if you are using the scanner class, then there you can give the message that enter the operator to perform the operations. There also you have to declare it as the character. Now I will check the character, means I will check this operator. If OP means value of this variable is equal plus. Okay, if it is addition, equal plus. So what I will do, is this statement correct? No, this statement is not correct. Yes, it is the relational operator is going to return true or false. But if you remember that this character literals always enclosed in the single quotes. So that is important. Okay, and here I'm declaring one variable like result, int result equals to 0, or only the result you can declare. Now in this, if operator is this, then result equals to A plus B. Addition. Okay. Then after it, second condition I'm going to form. So second condition I'm going to form in else if. Else if operator is equal in single quote minus, then result will be A minus B. Okay. Then again, third condition I'm going to form in else if. Whenever we are having more than one condition, we have to use ladder if only, not the multiple if. So multiply, if the given operator is the multiplication, then you perform the multiplication. If the given operator is division, then you will give the division. And if the given operator is the modulus, okay, then you will give over here modulus, means remainder, right? And if user is giving any other else operator, then you can give 0. So in the else you can write, in the else we are not going to give any condition, so result will be 0, or no need to write this because already we have given this. See that if I'm not writing it. Okay, now here I'm not using this out dot println calculated result is. Okay, what the variable I'm using? Result, right? Now see, compile. Operator. Yes, in the method call you have to keep remember character value you will enclose in the single code. Here I'm giving multiplication in the single code. Then some value, suppose 10 multiplied by 51. So result is 510. Now I'm giving the any other operator like question mark. Okay, not any arithmetic operator. And the value 1, 22, any values. See that calculated result is 0 because question mark is not any operator, right? So else is 0. And if you are writing the else, then also you can write over here. See that else you can write invalid operator, means a proper message you can give over there. Else control V invalid operator. Like that you can write invalid operator. So result will display as the 0 or don't display it. So so result is 0. So result is 0. That also you can do. See that operator. Here I'm giving minus in the single code number 6, 7. Calculated result is -1. Now I'm going to give any invalid operator. Suppose it is question mark. No, greater than sign. Okay, then number. See that calculated result is 0, invalid operator. Okay, write this program.